guys, welcome to my channel. It's 3 a.m. right now and I just woke up and I can't sleep because I'm freezing. So if you hear the heater, that little humming noise or blowing noise, that's what it is. Can't go back to sleep. Oh, look at my nails, I just did them. Oh. And I found out that it matches. This and this match. This is the Jeffree Star Diamonds. This is a little more purple, but it matches. Isn't that awesome? So anyways, today we are going to be doing something with this palette. I haven't decided what yet, but it is very, if I can get it back open, it's very, very colorful. I just want to play with this palette. I saw Nikki Tutorials and Crystal Ryan both do like the Halloween look, and it made me want to play with this palette. So I'm going to use the yellow and the orange, but I'm not making a Halloween look. I haven't decided what I'm doing yet. We're just going to do it. So I'm going to take this yellow first and put it above my eyes. Why do I look angry? My eyebrows make me look pissed off. Y'all, so I have found out that I can't use, or I can't get my eyebrows waxed anymore because it'll lift my skin with the stuff that I put on my face, the Curology. So I've been having to find out, like, try to like shave them and just fix them. It's been a mess, y'all. So right now I'm not angry. I'm a little tired. I'm not angry, even though I look angry with my eyebrows. So I'm just gonna put this yellow like way above my crease. Okay, we have the yellow. I'm gonna use the same brush. This is the It Cosmetics Shadow Brush. It's KEPDOW. And take the orange and I'm gonna put it in my crease. Next, I'm going to take this blue color and I'm going to use, this is an It Cosmetic brush, but here we go, C7125, that brush. And I'm going to put that on my lid. I'm going to go back in with this same brush and I'm going to dip in with this blue and put it on top of it. Just kidding. I'm going to use this brush. Do my under eyes and I'll be right back. Okay, now I'm going to take this purple and I'm going to take this BH Cosmetics, the 105 brush. It's like a small pencil brush. And I'm going to do my lower lash line. And I'm going to take this brush and I'm just going to go right in with this color and go right on top of that purple. Now I'm going to get some mascara and I'll be right back. Okay, and here's the finished look. I screwed up with the mascara, so I added a little bit of eyeliner to kind of cover that up. Let me know what you guys think. Make sure you like and subscribe and comment down below. Thanks. Bye.